Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and today I'm doing present and your future. There are two piles here. The first pile is a blue starfish and the second pile is a pink starfish. So I've got Scrabble, I've got your colors, I've got numbers that are important for you. I've also written two chits and I distributed, I don't know which one has fallen where, but this is your present for the pile number one blue, pile number two is the pink starfish, and this is at the back is the future. I've put the future cards here. I've also put I wrote some words what came to my mind, what I channeled, and I put them here. So let's start with the first pile, which is a blue starfish. Let's see first what the words are forming in the Scrabble. It means something to you. Remember, guys, if I'm giving 10 messages, 11, 12, 13, whatever messages, it is not necessary that all the messages will resonate, because this is a general reading. It's not a specific reading. A lot of you are listening to this. So it might be that if you've chosen pile, whichever pile might be that two messages are resonating, three messages are for you, or maybe four messages are for you. Or probably if one pile is not resonating, and if you're getting attracted to two, you can listen to both the piles. Maybe your answers lie somewhere in any one of the piles. So I'm going to start right now, like I said, and I got the words. I got CHIL. So it is something about chilling. You guys have to chill. I think you're taking too much stress or something like that. I'm going to show you the alphabets. So it's forming chill. I just do I just pick up random letter words from here from this Scrabble, and they form words. I normally just pick up anything and I try to see what message I need to give you. So I think right now in the present, I think you are stressing, you need to chill. That's the first thing I get. And I also felt the word hill is for you, wanting to go to the mountains at present. So we are doing present and future, we're not doing past here. So at present your mindset is you want to chill, or something to do with hills, want to go to the hills. That's what I get. I didn't want to add that, but I just want you to take care, because I got the word ill also. So take care of yourself if you've not really been feeling well. So the lucky colors that I got for you for the present, the green, it's a light green, guys. I'm going to hold it like this, and yellow. So they are lucky for you. I got the mermaid. So it's like purple is also good for you, but I also feel that you're going to be dreamy in the present. Thinking of a lot of projects, thinking of doing a lot of things, and a very dreamy mind. I want to say a very dreamy mindset, the kind of words you're using, the kind of movies you are seeing, or probably the songs that you're listening. There's something to do with fairies, or probably you also believe in fairies, is what I get. And I think you're also very attracted to water. You might be a water sign if you've picked up this pile. Let's see what your present says. What are the words here that I kept? I didn't see the words. I just shuffled them and dropped them two to each. Sore throat, I told I told because I got ill. And probably the chill means that feeling you feeling the chill, or it's cold outside and you had cold water, something to do with ice, and not feeling really well. So that's why I got the sore throat. So guys, this is for your present. Please take care. I don't want you to fall ill. Also sensitive, it could be a sensitive throat, it could be a sensitive matter, it could be a sensitive issue, it could be a sensitive situation. So something is sensitive right now. I also get if your teeth are sensitive, probably if you're having ice cream or anything cold and you're getting that sensation, is also what I get. So these are the words that I get for you for the present. I'm going to keep them aside. Let's see what else do I have for you in the present. These are the messages for you if you've chosen pile number one. These are the messages for the present. I'm going to take one card each and I'm going to show you. So 7 days, in 7 days, whenever you're hearing this reading, whenever you're listening to this, it's going to be a lot of abundance, happiness, and a lot of healing, I feel. That's what I feel. And I also feel that you love rain, something to do with the water sign, because there's a lot of water that I get. And I feel, that there is a rainbow after the rains, is also what I get. I also get in 7 days you're feeling you're going to feel happy and you're going to heal. So probably you haven't been feeling too well. That's what I think. I'm going to hold it like that, because otherwise there's a flash. So you're going to feel well. Don't worry about that. I'm going to move the cards away as I speak. Yes, again a healing card. I think water sign and a fire sign, or I think if it's a relationship thing, water sign and fire sign have to come in balance. You got to heal yourself. I also get fever from this, that's why probably I'm getting the word chill, ill, cold, not feeling well. So you need to heal, okay? Probably you'll take 7 days or 8 days. This is your present, and you're going to take time to heal. And you are going to a doctor also. This is a COVID situation. Probably you cannot go out, step out. But I think you're also taking or your doctor is somebody is much older, 50 plus or 60 plus. That's what I feel. there is no deceit. If you ever thought somebody is going to deceive you, there is deception. Somebody is making a plan behind your back, or is saying things behind your back, or is not really a friend. I don't think that is the situation. So I think you need to get this thing out of your head. The person is not deceiving you. Nobody is deceiving you right now. I think it's just sitting in your head. That's the situation that you've been thinking. Is the person deceiving me? Will he take my money? Will she take my money? Is he, she really a friend? So those are the things that I get for you. Not writing, really, not feeling like writing. I don't know why I get that. Not wanting to write, not wanting to say your thoughts, not wanting to express, not wanting to be in a group. It's almost like you exited a group today on WhatsApp, that kind of a feeling that I get. I just feel that this group, whatever, whoever's chosen this in the present, really just doesn't want to be anywhere, doesn't want to belong, just wants to be left alone. I don't know why I get that, or probably you're sensitive right now, your emotions are like that. You just want to be away from people. You don't want to be around anybody. Let's see what the romance angel cards say. Okay, there is chemistry between you two. So it's not necessarily I'm just talking to one person, because a lot of you will be listening to it. This could be a situation with you, not you. There is, I'm going to say there is chemistry between you two. And this is what you fearing or thinking, that there is no chemistry, though this is reversed. But that's what I say, always read the cards the way I think it is, right? So I feel a lot of chemistry in this. I think probably you're not feeling well, the other person is not feeling well, you've not met the other person. So this is not about where an attraction is missing between two people, but yes, one of you is not really up to it, or not well, or not, or just being away from you. So something is keeping you two away. Not staying optimistic in your relationship. I would want you to stay optimistic. I don't know why. It's just in your head. I don't know why with this pile I get a feeling these are not really what the other person is like. These are just fears in your head. I don't know why this group in the present is operating on the word fear, or is fearing all this. It's not really the situation. You're thinking the person doesn't love you, or there's deceit, or there is nothing more you can do in the relationship, but I don't think it is like that. It is just in your head. I want you to give your relationship a chance. That's what I feel. I want you to be optimistic about it. I want you to offer love to the other person. That's what I feel. This is the present situation. Sorry for the flash, guys. I think it's not really clear for you to see the cards, but yes, that's why I am talking. um, if you wanted any movement in your life, it will happen after 7 days. For 7 days, I really feel it's going to be a little still in your life, in the sense there'll not be much movement around you. But after 7 days, something is coming towards you, because of which either you'll change your job, either you'll change your house, or there is some kind of a change that is going to impact your life. But I think 7 days from now is what I feel. So this is the present. 7 days from now also is the present. It's not really in the future. So when I say present, it's all present. It is like now, a month or so. Future, I would say probably 6 months, 7 months, next year. So this is your situation right now, and I feel you really want to move. You are also sick of that stillness, though in one I think on one side, it's like I don't want to be around people, but also not enjoying it. Really wanting to be out. Out. I don't know why I got this channel message. It's like almost like being out of the situation. You really want to get out of the situation that you are in. I got being, it's almost like being in a mess and going out of that situation. You want to come out of that situation. I also feel the words clean shit. Somebody wants a clean shit in this. So your dreams do need a practical plan. This is for Taurians. If you've been planning something, if you wanting to launch something, if you've been desiring something, and you've been talking about it a lot, probably it's just that's why probably I got a mermaid. The situation is very fairy tale like. It needs a proper plan, it needs implementation, it needs you to draw a roadmap, a proper blueprint, whatever, and that's when your dreams will be fulfilled. Guys, it's good to be dreamy. I'm not saying don't be dreamy. It's good to take a risk. That's what I always feel, but always a calculated risk. And you should know, everybody has a dream, but how to fulfill that dream, or how to make into a reality, you have to have a practical plan. So vulnerable, so sensitive, vulnerable. That's the vulnerability. That's what I get. Okay. I also get that you are allergic to pollen. That's what I get. I feel you have an allergy to pollen. Maybe that's why you're not feeling well. Maybe that's why you're sneezing a lot also. I also get a lot of sneezing, a cold, chill. So not feeling really great. I also feel that you are very vulnerable to hay fever. Very you get a lot of hay fever, especially pollen. I feel pollen really troubles you. That's what I get. I also get an itchiness in the throat area. So probably that's how you don't feel well. So this is your spirit, this is your guiding animal, spirit guiding animal, dog. It is also about wanting loyalty from someone. That's what I feel. It's also wanting someone else to be loyal. I really feel, because dog is all about loyalty, companionship. It's also want of a partner who's really good, committed, and it's not just about flirting and playfulness and ending the relationship. You really wanting someone who will commit to you and will have a meaningful relationship with you. So that's what I get. And I also get this group is really blessed with good friends. You have good friends around you, so don't go back in a shell, or don't go into a shell. Open up, meet your friends. Don't exit from groups. That's, I feel you need to be around people, though the feeling at present you have that you want to be alone. But I think it will really help you, whatever the problem or whatever the situation, to be around with people. And I think you're a very loving person, you're very caring, and those are the things that I get. And yes, you do believe in loyalty and faithfulness, and that's what you like in your partner, or in your business situation, or in a job, or anything. Okay. And I also feel your finances are going to be very good soon enough. That's what I feel in the present. So I'm going to keep the cards back here. Let's see what are the words for the future. This is the same pile. There is the blue starfish, and I'm going to see what will happen in the future for you guys. And let's see what are the words in the future. Family. So wanting to be with a family, wanting a child, wanting to be around the family, something to do with the family. I get a very positive vibe. I don't get any fights or something with the family, but a situation where a family is involved, or a huge family. You have a big family tree, wanting to meet your family in the future, not with your family. I feel wanting to be with your extended family, or something to do with having children. That's what I also feel. Really, I feel the want in this. The whole wanting, desire. You're a very family person is also what I get. So let's see. So you're going to be with your family in the future. I think you're going to get reunited, if that was your question from me. But this is also a struggle. So I don't know. Your struggle is keeping you away from your family. You have to work somewhere. You have to go away from your family. Family could be anybody: your wife, mother, your husband, anybody, whatever around you, or your close friends that you feel are like your family. So there is also a bit of a struggle in the future. That's what I feel. So, guys, remember, these are general readings, so it's not necessarily that if there are 10 messages, like I'm saying, they're all for you, because they'll be mixed. One will resonate, or there might be two that resonate. So, always remember that. So, a lot of times people ask me, I chose pile one, but only three or four resonated. That's how it's supposed to be. So, you have to see which message is sitting in your situation, or which message do you think belongs in your situation, or how do you have to connect things in your life and situation. So, let's see how the future is going to be for pile number one. You are deserving of love. I don't know why, but yes, in the future you're going to feel that nobody loves me. Are you feeling lonely? That's why you probably want to be with your family. That's the situation. And you deserve love. I don't know why you feel that you're not, people don't love you, they don't appreciate you, there is no love that you're getting. I'm going to show you the card. It says deserving. You are deserving of love. You deserving of having a happy family, a happy life. So, and I feel you're going to get one. So you have to think positive. That's when you're going to get a very happy life, and you deserve a lot of love. Okay, it's not just that you give out a lot of love, you also want, we all want to receive a lot of love, and you will receive love, so you don't have to worry about it. Let your friends help you. So this was about friends. Like I said, you're very close to your friends, but in some way you're not letting them in. It's like you almost closed yourself in a shell. I want your friends to help you, and I think your friends will help you. All you need to do is ask from them, open up, and they will help you. Ask your friends. Remember that. It says ask for and accept support from others. So you probably do need support. I don't know if it's a financial support, job. In the job, probably your co-workers need to support you. There is some kind of support in the future that you will be seeking, or you will be asking for. And I think you will need help from people. And I feel, it's probably, if it's a struggle, you can't handle it on your own. I'm not saying that you don't have the strength or anything else to handle it alone, but there are times, when we want other people to be around us, and that's really helpful. Yes, in the future somebody's going to help you financially. There'll be a good job offer in the future. If you were wanting a job and you were wanting to change your job, I feel you're going to get a new job. I also feel buying a new house or buying a piece of land, something that you want to own, something big, luxury that you want to own. You would be wanting a house or something similar to that. So this is the feeling. I feel somebody's going to offer you money. If you wanted a loan or you wanted some financial help from somebody, family member, friend, this is going to happen. Let's see what else is in your present. You are good enough. So I don't know why in the future you'll get all these feelings that you're not deserving, or nobody's appreciating you. Nobody knows your worth. I'm putting so much hard work in my job or in my business or in my relationship, but I cannot get anything out. That's the kind of feeling you're going to get in the future for pile number one. November is going to be good for you. So whenever you're listening to this reading, and whichever November is closer, if November is gone by and you're listening to the reading when November is approaching, so that is the November for you. You will be lucky, especially if you're a Sagittarian. I also get if you're a Piscean, you will be lucky. Somebody will be lucky for you. Somebody might help you get a job. So that's why maybe the friends and family are important, because they will help you. You won't even have imagined that, out of the blue they helped you, or they knew that you were in trouble and you needed help. That's what I get. Good things will unfold. Remember that an opportunity will come from somewhere you didn't even imagine in the future. That's what I get. You wouldn't know, and I don't know why, but I especially get this for financial matters. So something will really come to you without even working hard for it, and it'll be such a surprise for you. Future, you'll feel that it's not going to be still, because it's come reverse. There'll be a lot of action in future. You have to prepare yourself for that. What, I don't know, but I still get a lot of water sign. I get air also, but I'm getting a lot of water sign in this. So you also stay close to water. There's a lot of action coming in your life, money wise, relationship wise, meeting new people, making new friends. So the future is going to be very busy for you. You're going to be a busy bee, okay, in the future. So I think just rest right now, because your future, there's a lot of action, like I said, a lot of movement in the future. Thinking too much about something, making decisions, things between not even two but three things, or handling three things together, handling three projects together. Also, this is making a wise decision. It's somebody who's making a wise decision. This is also somebody making a decision for you. I don't know why I get that, but there is somebody who you trust, and you will ask the person to make a decision for you. Okay, that's what I feel. And you also feel that person is your guiding angel, or is like, like a father figure or something. And that person is going to tell you what to do. This is not your decision alone. Your partner is going to make a decision for you, and the person is pretty good at it. The person is very good with finances, is what I get. Yes, also rest, because like I said, it's going to be very busy in the future. You need to meditate also. You need to be calm. That's what I feel. I do yoga, whatever meditation you want to do, forest bathing, whatever you like, chanting mantras. But I feel you need to rest in the future a bit. That's what I feel. Especially if you're a 10 number and a one number. I also get an 11 number. It's also raising your vibration. I don't know why, but I feel some of you will be working on raising your vibration, wanting to go on a spiritual path. That's what I feel. And I also feel that some of you do feel that you're guided, by a loved one. That's what I get. So that was pile number one, and let's go on to pile number two. Pile number two is pink starfish. So let me see what the words are for. What words can I form? I'm just forming words. I'll take a second. I got LYT, and I'm going to take it as a N. It's a Z though. I got light. I got light, feeling light. This is your present. Something to do with light. Something to do with lazy also. I get the word lazy with these alphabets. Um, something to do with light, something to do with lazy, feeling kind of bit of lazy in the present if you've chosen this. I also feel asking a lot of questions. It's somebody who's doing a why. Why is this happening? Why is, why did this happen to me? Trying to find out, things like that. I'm going to take one alphabet more and see if I can get more words here. Oh, two came out. A lot. It's like a lot of things. Also getting a new toy for someone. I also feel alone, or lonely, or leave me alone. I get the words leave me alone. Okay, that's what I get. I also get the word zone, being in one's zone. Also be careful of your toe. Okay, I get the word toe. Don't hurt it or whatever. Don't get hurt. That's what I get. Okay, those are a lot of words that I got from the two alphabets that I took out. I also got love, though there is no we here. I don't know why I'm getting the word love here a lot. Like you really love the person, or you really in love with the person. So let's see what is your present situation. And yes, I got a lot of green for you. So two green colors, and one kind of a peach color. I don't know if you can see it properly. I'm going to hold it like this. So this is peach, okay? So let's see what's the present. I wrote some words. What are the words for you? Forgive. Oh, it could be love and forgive. Lonely or not in your zone, okay? Out of your zone, or zoned out, or some maybe something. That's why a lot. One, maybe you just one left one. You were two. It was a partnership, and one person is out, or some partnership is broken, and you want to forgive someone. You also want to forgive the person, okay? That's what I feel. Let's see what's the second word. Wisdom. So you're going to be wise in this situation. You want to use your wisdom, okay? Not being impulsive, using your mind rather than your heart, and being very tactful in the situation is what I get, okay? Also feel that you do a lot of mind work. Probably your job requires that, or you did use your wisdom. People come to you because you say wise things, or you use words that inspire or solve problems of others. That's what I get. So let's see what your present looks like and what are the cards. Mother Mary, you got to listen to your guides. You're not connecting to your guides. I want you to connect to your guides, at present. I also want you to take care of your mother. I want you to connect with your mother. That's what I get. Um, yes, the more I hold this card, the more I think getting uh, connected with the divine. Okay, I don't want you to lose your connect with your divine, whichever higher power you believe in. That's what I got. I'm going to keep it here. Let's see what is the other card. Let's see what the romance angels are saying. Pay attention to the red flags. So it's already you did pay attention to the red flags. That's why you solved the situation, and really, I think it was a breakup. So pile number two, starting almost. I get it's a relationship reading that I started with. Not all cards will be relationship reading. Naturally, the romance angels are saying you didn't see the red flags, or you're not seeing the red flags right now. At present, you need to see the red flags. Okay, you need to see what's wrong in your relationship, and you got to work on it. You deserve love. So probably you have broken up, and because you thought you were not loved enough, or the person wasn't really loving and caring, and you felt lonely. But probably that's the words. That's why I got lonely. I also got only right now. So the person did love you a lot, or you probably uh, didn't really. You thought you really don't belong in the relationship. There's some words like that coming to me. And I also feel it was your decision to just step out of the relationship. That's what I got. Let's see what are the other cards saying. Almost having a fight with people. I don't know, having a fight with the family, finances, not getting along with people at work is what I get, especially for earth sign and fire sign. Almost having an argument. You also walked away from an argument. You probably it was in your office, or any wherever there were a lot of people involved. You almost like seeing walking away. You're like, I cannot do this anymore, or you don't want to be argumentative anymore. You like, I cannot argue anymore. There is no energy left in me. Let's leave the situation. I'm going to move on. So it's also a situation of moving on in life. So that's your present. That's what you're going to do, or that's what you've done. You won't let your past hold back. Exactly, like I said, this is a relationship reading. This could also be a job situation. You've almost given up, you almost walked away. It's like people were fighting in this situation, so you didn't want to fight anymore. You were your energies were sapped. You were like, I don't have any energy, I will not let my past hold me back, and I just want to move on. So maybe that's why I got a sorry maybe that's why I got a lot of green here also, because that's almost healing or wanting to heal now, starting that momentum of healing right now. You know that you have to move on, or you've moved on, even if there was a heartbreak, even if it was difficult to leave the situation, the job, or whatever it was, but you knew you had to walk away from this. Also feel in the present, not you really not feeling very cared about, and you also don't care about the situation. It's like you cannot nurture this thing anymore. You cannot put more in the relationship, you cannot put more in the finances, you cannot put more in the business, you cannot nurture the business anymore. Even if it's an office situation, you're done with it. I get the words done with it. And I don't know why, because I got the word toy. It could also be I'm not a toy. You cannot really. Some people have hurt feelings. I think that if you've picked up pile number one. So presently, that's how I feel. You like I'm not a toy. It's like I also have feelings, or you've told that to someone. You cannot treat me like that. It could be anything. It could be even in your office organization. It's like probably somebody was like using you like a ball, from one department to the other department to the next department, and you felt that you just kept rolling into it, and that you didn't belong there. So that's what I feel. Clam. It's easy for me to take time for contemplative thought. So you were deliberating, you were contemplating about things. So it's almost like, I want to be in my own shell, and I want to think, what to do. I don't want anybody to enter my world. It says I'm observant of thoughts, words, feelings, and actions. So you've been observing people. You observe people very well. You knew what was going on in a situation. Maybe that's why you took the decision you took. The way to my future is clear and bright, so you already know it. That's why your past is not going to hold you back. You knew the other person did not deserve you, or the job situation or whatever you were in, that people didn't value you. Somebody didn't value you, but you knew your value, you knew your self-worth, and you walked away from the situation. My mind is completely clear. My focused intent aligns me with my highest good. So you know what is good for you. So you already moved on, and you know what you should be doing in the situation. So you moved on from that situation, and you're going to move on. It's a present. So if you've not, you will move on, because you weren't feeling balanced. Like I said, there was something out of balance totally. Some was too much, something was too little. Somebody was giving too much, somebody was giving too little. Probably your bosses didn't work, your employees didn't work, or probably your co-workers didn't work much, and you had all the burden, and something was really out of balance there. You did all the hard work and you didn't get anything. So this is present, okay? This is what's happening with you. Present could also be in 7 days, so that's why I'm talking like that. So this is also, I told you, almost disconnected with the divine. You also, especially if you're a number three. Whatever you visit, like a temple, church, or anything, that your place of worship, whichever, or even if you have something at home, whoever you worship, I want you to connect back, okay? Because your answers are also there. I want you to connect back. Something to do with number three. It's been 3 weeks. You've almost like not said, I don't believe in God. I don't know why I get that. So it's something to do with number three. I get number three very strongly here. Now I'm going to do the numbers for you guys, but right now it's three number in my mind for this pile. Yes, take action. You've already taken action. Present is about action. You've taken action, you're taking action, you will take action, okay? This is your present. If it's not today, it's going to happen tomorrow, because tomorrow is also your present right now. This is a present card. So this could be almost in a month also. I'm going to say it's present for you. So you're going to run away from something. You're already going to take action. Already going to move forward. You don't belong with those people, or in the relationship, or in the job, or that business is not for you. There is something that you know where you're heading. I also get you know where you're heading. Okay. I don't get you changing direction or changing a field, but I know that you're moving ahead. That's what I feel. So this is what your present is, pile number one. Let's see what's your future. I'm going to pick up the cards for the future. Emotionally hurt. Yes, of course. This is a relationship reading. No wonder that's why I was getting alone, lonely, the word like don't treat me like a toy, being in your own zone. But you very clearly see things. You very clearly are going to see things. You're going to be very clear what you want to do. This is not somebody who's hurt and still thinks you want to be in a relationship, or you know they're not valuing you in the job. It's not somebody who's just giving and saying doesn't matter. This is my destiny. This is my life. This is somebody who takes action and will take action in the future. Is what I get. Ah, victory, awesome. So whatever you're going to do is victory for you. You took the right steps. You're going to take the right steps because this is present for you. So whatever you're going to do is going to in the present is going to be you've got to feel victorious. But because whatever in the present you took, I'm repeating again, whatever steps you're going to take in the present, maybe job, relationship, finances, family, the decisions that you make today, this is going to be this is what you're going to get. It's going to be a good situation. It's going to be victory for you. You're going to be a winner. You're going to come out feeling much better from this situation is what I get. So let's see what's going to happen in the future. Yes, you're going to journal your thoughts. You're going to be in a position you deserve, even if it's love or a job. You're going to write a lot. You're going to communicate with a lot of people, and you would love it. You will be around a lot of people, and I feel you will also get a lot of signs, a lot of hints from nature that what's good for you, not what's not good for you. I feel your instincts will be very high. I don't know why I get that. It's almost like I also feel that you love birds. You love eagles, especially. I don't know why, but I get eagles. I also get like pigeons or doves. You normally use that word dove because this is all about love. So somebody will really value you. You'll be at the right place at the right time in the future. Let's see what the romance angels are going to say. Yes, romantic feelings in the future, new love coming in. The person you are going to be with will be very attracted to you. You'll have romantic feelings towards each other. Your feelings will be real and they will be worth exploring. So this could be a good relationship, and this could be a forever for you. This could be a forever. So it's worth exploring the relationship, and it's going to be real feelings. There's going to be playfulness, there's going to be chemistry, but also true feelings and real feelings is what I get. Something is going to worry you at night in the future. I don't know what. I don't feel that it's about sickness, it's about finances. There is some kind of worry in the future, or even if it's not worrying, it is the past. If I think a lot of times you'll think about the past, and past is the present we are talking about. What happened in the relationship or in the job. You'll keep going back to it, but though you move forward from it, that there'll be times when you think about it. But I want you to cut your cord with the past. That's how you go to heal. Okay, I don't want you to do this sitting up late at night and worrying about things in the future. I don't want you to do that, because it's somebody you're very strong. You're somebody who's going to heal. Okay, and it's not that something's going to weaken you. In the future, please release negativity. I don't know why, but you will start holding on to negative thoughts. You are a very positive person. Don't hold on to negative thoughts. You're doing good. I don't want you to ask yourself what you did, was it right or wrong. I want you to move on. That's what I feel. Guys, remember, this is a guided session. Do at the end, do what you think is right. It's not always what I say. Okay, I can just show you a path, put you on a path, but in the end, always work with free will is what I say. Remember that. Yes, in the future, please balance spirituality and practicality. Okay, work with people. Also, don't work so hard that you disconnect from God. Also, don't immerse yourself so much into just disconnecting with the divine power, though it's a very good thing. But I think right now it's something to do with balancing yourself. That's what I feel. Don't get obsessed about something. I feel this group in the future might just get obsessed about something. Okay, it's like I don't know what the obsession is, but I want you to stay from any kind of obsession. Repeatedly doing the thing, repeatedly. I told you instinct. I told you the word even before I picked up the card, and I've not seen these cards, guys. I've just taken them and kept them in piles. You will be using your instinct in the future. Your instinct will be very high. Remember that. It will be very good. You have intuitive powers, and you'll exactly know which mountain to climb. You'll be very clear. You'll be very focused. It's almost somebody who's victorious. Who actually climbed a mountain and come down. That's what I feel. It's already is already done what was needed to be done. Whatever goal had to be achieved. That's what I get. Please also be creative, spend time creating, spend time doing things that you love. It's not always about job or yourself or relationships or family, finances, this, that, lot of things in life. This is also taking out time to create things. I want you to create things for yourself, whatever makes you happy in the future. Don't forget doing that. Please remember that. Yes, door to romance is opening. It will open. I get 6 months. It says a six. I also get 9 months. Somebody new is going to come into your life, and I think it'll be really quick, and you will really be open to about the relationship. You really warm up to the person very fast is what I get. Some people take time. There's sometimes in relationships you take time to warm up, but I think the person will be very friendly, and you will really feel very comfortable. It's like almost you want to tell everything to that person. In the second meeting, in the third meeting, that's how you're going to feel. Okay, I feel a lot of love in the future for you guys. And your finances will be fantastic also. You will be making money. That's what I feel. Number nine. If you're a number nine, if you are number 10, if you're a number seven, if you're a number two, you'll be making money. It'll be good for you. And you'll be very proud of yourself. And you'll know that this is all your hard work, whatever you've achieved, whatever money you've made, or whatever things that you've done in life is all your hard work. This is a proud woman. This is somebody who's proud. That's what I feel. And is victorious. There's a lot of pride in a good way, victorious. I can see the crown, happy with what, she or he has achieved. I'm going to say she has achieved, okay? And you've come a long way. So that's your reading. I'm going to do the numbers. Let's see what the numbers are for you. For pile number one, let's see what are the numbers. Pile number one, sorry, I forgot to do the numbers, but yes, 5 is a good number. Pile number two, I said 3. I actually said 3, and I said I'm getting a lot of, sorry, it did spin, but yes, I get a lot of 3 for you guys. This is 3 for you. 3 is going to be good for you. So that was your reading. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I'll be back soon with another reading. So this is your present and future. There were 2 piles, blue starfish and pink starfish. So see you again and with another reading, and enjoy this reading. Do tell me which pile you picked, and do comment and tell me what did resonate with you guys. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Good night.